Good morning, dear students. Welcome to the online classes. In today's online classes for senior student, 11th and 12th, I will teach them about English writing. आपको हम इंग्लिश राइटिंग के बारे में पढ़ाएंगे. इंग्लिश राइटिंग रिवाइज कराएंगे. एक आर्टिकल. Now I have written many articles for you. मैंने आपके लिए बहुत से आर्टिकल लिखवा दिए हैं. दिस इज वन ऑफ दैम. उनमें से एग्जाम्पल है. योर क्वेश्चन इज ऑन द ब्लैक बोर्ड. यू हैव बीन आस्क्ड टू राइट एन आर्टिकल. आपसे कहा गया है एक आर्टिकल लिखने के लिए ऑन पोल्यूशन के ऊपर फॉर योर स्कूल मैगजीन यूजिंग आइडियाज फ्रॉम द इन्वायरमेंट से लेते हुए एज वेल एज योर एन आइडिया. राइट एन आर्टिकल इन मिनिमम 200 वर्ड्स. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल टू राइट एन आर्टिकल यू नीड ए हेडिंग. आपको एक हेडिंग की आवश्यकता पड़ती है. यू हैव टू राइट द आर्टिकल ऑन पोल्यूशन. तो योर हेडिंग विल बी पोल्यूशन. आप इस तरह लिखोगे एंड बिगिन टू राइट. नाउ आई विल टेल यू द क्वेश्चंस. यू विल राइट इट बाय लिसनिंग माय स्पीच फॉर बोथ द क्लासेस 11th and 12th. नाउ पोल्यूशन इज अ वेरी a dreadful thing which are threatening the existence of the world. There are many types of pollution, but there are 4 types of pollution. लेकिन मुख्यतः 4 प्रकार पोल्यूशन होते हैं. वाटर, नॉइज, एयर एंड nowadays land pollution is also included. Water pollution is caused by the waste released from the factories. When the polluted water is mixed into the fresh water body, then the water become polluted. If we take a bath in a polluted water, we may get many skin diseases. And second types of pollution is noise pollution. Noise pollution is caused by the loudspeaker, horns, concrete mixtures, etc. And if we remain for a prolonged time in a noise pollution, then we may get many types of diseases. And third one is air pollution. Air pollution is also caused by the smoke released from automobile factories, etc. It is also very harmful to our health. If we remain for a long time in an air pollution, so we may have the problems of breathing. And the 4 types of pollution is land pollution. In big cities we mostly see on the outskirts of cities there is dumping places of waste, and this dumping places make the soil unfertile to grow crops, and thus it make this soil pollution. Dear student, I have told you the answer of this question. Once again I am going to tell you. You will write the answer. So first of all you will write pollution. आप pollution का लिखना है. तो you know pollution is very dangerous things which is threatening the existence of the world. Mainly pollutions are of 4 types: air, water, noise and land. You may give some or tell about the pollution. So for example, air pollution is caused by the smoke released from automobile factories. And if we remain for a long time in air pollution, we may have the problem of breathing. Noise pollution is also caused by the sirens of automobiles, loudspeaker, concrete mixtures, etc. And it is also very harmful for our health, because if we remain for a long time in air pollution, it may affect on our hearing skill. And the third types of pollution, water pollution. Water pollution is caused by the waste released from tanneries, factories. When the waste water mixed into the fresh water body, then the water become polluted. And if we take bath in a polluted water, we may get many skin disease. And first 4 types of pollutions are land pollution. In big cities we see on the outskirts of the city there is a huge dumping places of waste which make the land polluted, जो ज़मीन को प्रदूषित कर सकती है. Now pollution is a very dangerous thing to the world, so it is also falling the existence of the mankind into danger. So if we want to live a healthy life, we must check these types of pollution. Dear student, this is the answer I have told you. You have to write the answer in your copy by listening my speech. That's all for this video.